she's good girl. Careful. Oh, careful. This way. Oh, a bit tangled, but she got through. Yay, clever girl. Just going to undo her lead a minute. Good girl, wait a minute. So we can untangle that. She went through the cat flap by pushing, you clever girl. Let me just undo her. Good girl. We've got to do now, let's go back again. Get rid of that. Come on, push. Through there. Connie in. And then push her back in. And then she should come back through again. Through you go. In you go. Right. Let's see if she'll come back. Come on, Connie. Come on, Connie. Connie, come. Yay! I've got a cat juggling on the lead. Good girl. Good girl. No. Come on. Back. No. Just training. Back up. Connie in. Up in. Connie, come. Up. Here. Connie. Come here. Connie. Come on. Up, 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 up. Come on. Here. So where the other cats haven't even sussed that out yet. Connie's learned it in her very first 30 seconds. And I didn't even show her how to get through. She was pushing through to get to me. Connie, come. Up. Good girl. Up. Good girl. Come on. No, try again. Come on, I want her to jump up in one go. Connie. Connie. Connie, come. Up, 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 up. Connie, come. Connie. Connie. Up. Come on, Connie. Come on, Connie. Focus on this, not on your escape. Good girl. Come on, Connie. Come on, Connie. She's tired. She's already been out this morning. Come on, Connie. Good girl. Good girl. Come on then. Up you come. Right, put her on there. Right. Connie going to go in. Good girl. Connie in. In you go. In you go. Connie in. In you go. In. In. Right. Okay. Are we ready? Connie, come. Connie, come. Come there, Connie. Connie, come. Good girl. Come on, Connie. Yay. Good girl. Oh, he lost her. He lost her. Good girl. That'll do. Whoa. Good girl. Freedom, she says. Good girl. That'll do. Yay. Well, there's your cat flap lesson.